Welcome to the video guys. I hope you are doing well. Losing weight is supposedly simple. Just burn more calories than you eat, right? That may seem like an easy recipe, but millions will attest that shedding extra pounds is often easier imagined than accomplished. It is a fact that exercising is a key aspect of losing weight and toning you up. According to a research published in the scientific journal Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise, scientists found that mere an hour of aerobic exercise accelerated your energy levels and burnt calories on the cellular level. But keep in mind that mere a single jog or run may not instantly lead to six-pack abs, so you have to do something extra to get the goal. If you are running every day to lose weight and tone you up, you should add this technique, then you can get your result faster. Add high-intensity interval training with running. According to a scientific research tells us that varying up cardio exercises with interval training is a great way to burn more calories. Engaging in intervals training while running activates both the aerobic and anaerobic systems within the body, creating an oxygen shortage that promotes greater and more prolonged calorie expenditure. Gunnar Peterson, celebrity PT, told NBC News that there is nothing wrong with steady-state cardio, but I would suggest adding sprint intervals to your cardio workout to bump up the burn. According to a study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, it is team measured and compared calories burned during a 30-minute bout of high-intensity interval training, regular cardio, and weightlifting. It is found that high-intensity interval training cohort ended up burning 25 to 30% more calories than the other groups. High-intensity interval training also minimizes the time we spend exercising while maximizing the health benefits. These workouts can be finished in as little as 15 minutes, but often burn more calories than traditional cardio routines, lasting twice as long, if not even longer. One study released in the Journal of Applied Physiology even reports that just a few 30-second intense sprints improve overall fitness just as much as full hour of jogging. If you are still on the lookout for more ways to reap further fitness rewards from running, consider going out for your daily jog first thing in the morning before sitting down for some breakfast. According to a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition, it is found that going for a morning run on an empty stomach results in nearly 20% more fat burned. Another research published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism came to similar conclusions, reporting that a pre-breakfast workout burns twice as much fat.